Beck Show, what do you have?
Hey, so guess what? I am not a millennial, and I do have canned goods for certain spots, but when it comes to tuna fish, we have switched over to the pouch. And the reason for it is because my husband travels, and when he travels, especially out of the country, the weight matters, and he's traveled many times out of the country to places that the food is questionable. So we figured out if he takes the pouches with him, I find a couple foods, the crackers, the creamy mayonnaise packets, and off he goes. He has something to eat.
That's perfect. And the pouches are actually really light.
Yeah,
and they lay flat, so that's perfect.
Yeah, for that situation. And so, since we never know when he's going to travel, I only keep that kind of tuna in the house.
I only buy that kind of tuna. I don't buy canned tuna.
You don't buy canned tuna?
Never, Jackie, right? I mean...
I don't know. I also I'm not a fan of the can anyways in general because it is hard with all the extra liquid. Even for me, like, and I'm a seasoned can opener, sometimes, I don't know what it is, some of the cans you can't open it and don't, not like there's two spots.
I know. It's a pain in the ass. Exactly. How was Hanukkah, Jackie?
It was chappy.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know.
I have a lot of people that say Chanukah.
Yes.
So we started, instead of saying Happy Hanukkah, we started saying Chappy Chanukah.
I guess that's that Jackie humor that we going right over our heads. We just don't quite get it. So,
that was clever.
very good, Jackie. Anything else you want to add here this afternoon? It's a pleasure talking to you as always.
Thank you. I don't know when the next time I'm going to get to actually speak with you guys, so I want to make sure I wish both of you an early Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year because, you know, I can't call you on Christmas Day, Kimberly. I know how much you stress that, but...
I worry the whole year about that, Jackie. I can't tell
well,
you.
You like to make sure the holiday is celebrated and acknowledged on the actual day, not the day before.
That's right.
Not the day after, the day of, but you might not be working that day.
All right.
Yeah, good enough, Jackie. We know you're Jewish, but do you also put up a tree in your house?
Oh, absolutely not, no.
No.
I buy trees for other people to have in their offices and desks and things like that, or in their home, but not in our home, no.
That's okay.
But I do make fun, awesome cookies that are traditionally Christmas style.
Well, you're very thoughtful.
Thank you very much. I miss you guys. I'm glad you guys are on the radio still, and I really hope you can move to the morning soon.
Okay.
All right,
We'll let you know.
Ain't happening. Austin, go ahead. You're on the Kimberly and Beck Show. What up?
Hey, I'd like to speak in on the defense of the millennials killing everything.
Yeah.
I'm a millennial. I'm 24 years old, and I was wondering if maybe you could give me the list one by one again, and perhaps I can shed a little light on the millennial perspective.
Well,
We say millennials are killing the 9-to-5 workday, but you know what? We only have bosses and CEOs to blame for that. They're adjusting to the millennial workforce.
okay, so the 9-to-5 workday, they say millennials have killed. What do you have to say?
I say yes. I'd say the 9-to-5 workday is probably a conglomerative effort